Look at that eagle. Where is it going? Every eagle dreams of touching the highest skies. If I never leap, I'll never know how high I can fly. Maybe I didn't fly very far today, but tomorrow I'll try again. Every sunrise gives me one more chance to try again. I don't have to fly the highest today. I just have to become a little stronger than yesterday. I'm not perfect yet, but today I flew a little farther. Day after day, one tiny improvement became another. Little by little, I wasn't chasing perfection anymore. I was becoming stronger every single day. Then one day, I realized I wasn't fighting the wind anymore. The mountain never became easier. I simply became stronger, one small step at a time. Then, something changed. Flying no longer felt impossible. The sky never changed. I did. Then, something changed. I stopped wondering if I could fly. I simply chose where I wanted to go. I spent so much time trying to conquer the wind that I never realized it had been carrying me all along. I spent so long believing the sky was something I had to earn myself. I finally learned what freedom truly feels like. I thought freedom was somewhere ahead, but it was growing inside me all along. Once I believed, the sky became home. Real freedom isn't reaching the sky. It's finally feeling at home within it. The greatest victory is finding peace in who you've become. The greatest heights aren't measured by how far you fly. They're measured by the peace you carry wherever you go. The sky didn't change me. One brave choice did. Yours can begin today. That story really stayed with me. Me too.